How to get back a deactivated Yahoo account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get back a deactivated Yahoo account. Active subscriptions can only close your account if it has no remaining balance and it's been 90 days since the end of the paid term for any canceled subscriptions. You can visit My Subscriptions to cancel paid services and pay account balances. Then sign in to the Yahoo account termination page. Follow the on-screen prompts to continue. Your account will be reactivated if you sign into it within 30 days of closing it, with longer hold periods for accounts registered in Australia or New Zealand, which is 90 days, and Brazil, Hong Kong, Taiwan, or India is 180 days. To do this, sign in to your account. Next, verify your recovery information. After that, create a new password or click Continue. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.